In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp to manage and export your video files effectively. Clipchamp is a convenient tool for anyone looking to create and edit videos effortlessly, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Let's dive right in and explore this platform together. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Clipchamp website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in Clipchamp's URL. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Clipchamp offers a seamless interface that's user-friendly, designed to make video editing a breeze. This intuitive setup is perfect for both beginners and advanced users, ensuring everyone can harness the power of video editing without a steep learning curve. Now, once you're on the Clipchamp site, the next step is to head over to your media library. Your media library is where all your uploaded video clips and assets live, ready for you to edit and refine. On the platform, you can either start a new project or continue working on an existing one. Once you've accessed the media area, locate the Export button. It's most often prominently displayed, making it easy to find even if you're new to the site. Clicking Export is your gateway to efficiently managing your video's size and quality. Clipchamp allows you to compress videos, which is incredibly useful if you're working with limited storage space or need to upload your video online where smaller file sizes can reduce upload times. By selecting a smaller quality option, such as 480p, you can significantly reduce the file size of your video. This option is particularly beneficial if your video is intended for platforms or devices that don't require high-resolution videos. Remember, though, that smaller file sizes will affect the video's quality, so choose this setting wisely based on your specific needs. And just like that, you're done with the process. Once your video is exported, Clipchamp quickly finalizes the compression and preparation, and your video will now be saved in the desired format and quality. Be sure to check the final output to ensure it meets your expectations. You can find the completed video in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser stores downloaded files. In summary, Clipchamp provides a straightforward and accessible way to manage video files. Whether you're compressing videos to share with family and friends or preparing professional content for work, this tool makes it easy. Experiment with different settings to see what works best for your projects. Thanks for watching and happy editing.